Good evening. Um, Welcome to another episode of our graphics design tutorial. This week, I will be talking about um, sizing. How can we size our design work? So, these are the things we'll be talking about this evening. Being a starter, we need to know some sizing procedure in graphics design. So this evening we'll be delving into sizing. So you can take your pen and paper so that you can jot some things. So let me open my. As you all know, we are using CorelDRAW for graphics designer that are just starting. As you know, we have different design aided software, part of which we have Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and so on. But being a starter, it's very good if you can start your learning process using CorelDRAW. So this is the Corel interface. If you have been following us on this tutorial, we have been we have discussed about the CorelDRAW interface, the way it looks like, but purposely because of what we want to do today, I will quickly take us to the measuring, how we can come up with our size, the measuring the sizes of our design. So as you know, we have toolbar. These are our toolbar, and we have taskbar as well. So file, edit, view, layout, objects, effect, bitmap, text, table, and so on. These are our taskbar. While we have our toolbar arranged at the left side of the interface, and the white region that is on here is our workspace. So that's our workspace where all our design will be. So I don't forget, what we want to talk about this evening is sizing. So if you look here, you see unit. In this unit, anytime you are operating computer system and you see an arrow pointing down, it's simply telling you that there are many options once you click that arrow down. So I will click the arrow down now so that we can see things that are hidden into it. By clicking it, we see inches, millimeter, pickers, point, pixel, d dots, feet, yards, mile, and centimeters, and so on. It depends on the unit you want to use, probably the inches or feet. So it depends on what you want to do. So let's assume you want to work on banners, flex banner design. You can make use of your feet. Then under the feet, you can select your vertical line, the size of your vertical line. Probably let's assume we have 3 feet as your width, and your height. You can, let's say we have 4 feet as our height. So once you click enter, you have something like this. So from this place to this place now, we have 3 feet while the height is 4 feet. So that's how sizing is being done. So, and apart from that, let's assume you want to work on inches. You can take your measurement on inches as well. You can see our 3 feet the other time has changed to 36 inches. That means we have 12 inches making 1 feet. It is 12 inches that make 1 feet. Likewise, our 4 feet that we measured the other time has changed to 48. That means we have 12 inches to make 1 feet, because 4 times 12, that is 48. You can do your measurement also in inches. Assume you want to do small sticker or a very small you want to design a very small sticker or anything that is very small, it is advisable you use your inches. Apart from this sizing, we have some customized size that came by default. For example, we have our A3 paper size. This is A3 paper size. Then we have A4 paper size, which is the common one. Then we have our A6 paper size. um A6 is 1/4 of A4. When you divide your A4 into 4 equal parts, you have your A6. So A5 is 1/2 of your A4. What I'm saying is 2 A5 make 1 A4 paper. So our A3 is when you combine 2 A4 together, then you get A3. A2 is the combination. A2 is the combination of 2 A3. So 2 times A3 will give you A2. So those are the papers that are by default. We have ledgers as well. We have ledgers, we have envelope, we have letter as well. We have ledger, we have tabloid. So we have envelope 9, envelope 10, and many other paper size that are there by default. They are by default. So and if you are not using paper size that are by default, you can as well customize your own, as we have done the other time. So with this, I think by the total grace of God, in our next class, we see how we can implement some designs using measuring, measurement. So thank you very much. If you like this video, and probably you are just joining us on this video tutorial on graphics design, you can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, so that once we update the videos, once we drop video for you guys, you get the notification. Thank you so much.